Welcome, my friend, and this is the WorldQuant-Miner, and here's the introduction on what is going on in the WorldQuant, and so if you want an introduction, quick introduction to WorldQuant Brain, that's not gonna happening for now, so we're just gonna skip the introduction and just to go straight to the necessity of this functionality of the project. So usually what constitutes the WorldQuant research is that we take a look at the papers and we generate out ideas, and the idealization takes a long time. So what we have here is a web crawler, but it is called web crawler, but it's not done yet because we're focusing on one research paper. So for example, in here, we have research paper, which is corresponds to this, that has 43 pages and it's very long. And okay, so we're not logged in yet, so right. And yeah, this is a J and we're showing the JWT token, right? So but don't worry, it expires. So even you see it, it doesn't matter. So using local storage, yeah, you can now see it. When you see this web crawler here, you'll be greeted with this login page. The basically the WorldQuant doesn't return you with any cookies, so I have to let you manually use it. So the idea is you just inspect it, you see the network, you see the tutorial. So any API calls will work. It has a T equals here, and you copy and paste it in the JW token, and you save it, and then it will work. Okay, so let's see. Let's select all the operators, and you select this 43 pages of paper and generate alpha ideas. Okay. I'm gonna simulate. It's just simulated one. It's a 211% or drawdown. I'll just simulate it again. Okay, so it's gonna take some time. So the future of this page is that we're not gonna do just one PDF, but we're gonna browse through the web, and so the idea is to combine the human intervention with the AI agent network. It's a lot of work, but I think we already done once. Okay, so we have some results here. So enterprise multiple value factor, hash-rich value composites, EBITDA growth with versus multiple, debt adjusted value factor. Operating efficiency value. Okay. I just reload it. We're not gonna wait till this simulation actually does this. So the mark cap is actually cap. Yeah. And let's do the simulation. The idea is, we can be sure that whether a simulation generated by AI is actually helpful. So we need to actually mine them. So the idea of the web crawler is to crawl through the web and do the simulation. So the simulated part is actually it's not very easy. As you can see here in the alpha generator, so simulation is actually pretty yeah, these logic, you need to combine these logic with the um so as the simulation loads, let's take a little tour of the web app. So the home page. So the future of this page is to monitor your agent, create a new agent. Alpha mining can manage your alpha mining. Basic logic is to test the alpha using simulation. Um, and these are the logic, view reports, manage networks, data sources, settings. We also have a multi-arm bandit problem for this. So we're gonna use mathematics to manage these alpha mining to sort of do the optimized mining. And we also have alpha polisher. I'm not sure if it's necessary to here just to polish your alpha, and maybe it's just to adjust the parameters. If your alpha to get suggestions, I'm not sure about this. Results. These are not done. So okay, so we also integrate a Pinecone vector database in here, but I'm not sure about the web. Okay, so operators are uploaded. I'm not sure. Pinecone. Let's see the Pinecone database. Not so sure about that. So this one is terrible. So that's why not every one of its last time I actually had good results. So in here it has 1.19, 0.86. So this on the first try. So not sure if this one actually doesn't have a good luck. So that's why we need mining. Actually, other than like let's see, what was my account? I'm not sure about all my accounts, but see another page. This one is also a dummy site, an agent networks, also agent designer. This one actually in the plan is to have a graph to design your agents. So the brain does not exist, I think. Yeah, this page does not exist. Okay, the profile page does not exist. Okay, so this is where we stand, and let's see the vector database to see if there's data there. There's no. There's nil. There's nil. I'm probably gonna use my GitHub account. Yeah, WorldQuant-Miner. Browse has two namespaces. So it is created, but it isn't uploaded with data. So that's it. The future of this project is to develop the simulating and eventually come out with the agent networks, and hopefully we can mine and intelligently mine hopeful alphas in this website. So your contribution is really appreciated. So let's see what we can make of this project. And thank you all. Bye bye.